So when we practice the phonogram RH, when we practice the phonogram RH, we say R, okay? So the two-letter R, and it is used in Greek words, okay? Now, we are quickly going to preview something before we get into our RH words and our CH words. So when we use the RH letter tile, we only say the sound R, okay? We only say the sound R. Now, let's look at some words that tell us that the word is, so there are several letters that tell us that a word is maybe Greek, okay? Or it comes from, or it is influenced by Greek language. So Y says the I sound, okay? It says the I sound. It says the long I sound or the short I. So I or eh, like itch, okay? So either long I as in ice cream or eh, like in itch. So I can say Y in Greek words. It would say either the long I as in ice cream or the short I as in eh, or as in the word itch. So, and we can see the example of this in the word gym. Okay, here we have the short I, so gym. So it's the eh sound. The PH letter, they can pronounce the word as in the f sound, as in the word graph. Okay, so it pronounces the F, it gives the F sound. Then the ch, so our today's phonogram ch, it creates the k sound in words that are Greek. Okay, so it says the k sound, as in the word echo. And RH, R sound. So RH says the R sound as in the word rhyme. Okay, does that make sense? Now, if I were to say the word chip, let me write it down for you, chip. If I were to write the word C-H-I-P, chip. Okay, so what are the three sounds of ch again? Ch, k, and sh. So in the word chip, let's say in the word chip, what is this word? So it's chip, and what is the sound it's making? What sound do you think the word chip is making of the three sounds that we know CH makes? Is it making the ch? Is it making the k? Or is it making the sh sound? It's making the ch sound, that's right. It's making chip sound. We don't say kip, or we don't say ship. We say chip, okay? So it's making the ch sound. Then let's move to the word. I am going to build the word chrome. C-H-R-O-M-E, chrome. So what do you think, what sound is CH making in the word chrome? I'm saying it, chrome, chrome. What sound is it? Am I saying cherome? No. Am I saying cherome? No. I'm saying chrome. So it's making the k sound. So the words, our phonogram is making the k sound. In this word, our phonogram is making the ch sound. In this one, we see k sound. Okay? Now, let us go back to our Greek words. And we learned that words, so Y can either say long E or long I in the end of words, right? So we already know that it can either make a long E or long I at the end of words. So like the word puppy, okay? P-U-P-P-Y, puppy. P-U-P-P-Y. Puppy. So it's making the long E sound, puppy. Or as in the word fly, it's making the I sound, right? It's making the long I sound. But in words of Greek origin, so in words that come from Greek language, Y can either say the long I sound, as in ice cream, or short I sound, as in or itch. Okay, I want you to say the word ice cream and itch. And I want you to pay attention to the I sound. So itch, or ice cream. Okay, so the long I or the short I. So even in the middle of the words. Okay, so even in the middle of the words, I can make the long I or the short I sound. Now let us